QuickBooks Tax Software Review Usage Experience. So, QuickBooks, developed by Intuit, is a leading accounting software solution tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a comprehensive suite of financial tools, including invoicing, expense tracking, payroll management, and tax preparation, designed to streamline business finances and ensure compliance with tax regulation. And here are the key major features about this platform. So QuickBooks automatically calculates tax on invoice, hidden in accurate tax management, and also the software assists with VAT calculation and compliance, though setting up VAT requires manual assignment of tax categories in stock items. And also QuickBooks provide a VAT tax liability report offering insight into income tax information. And also QuickBooks is a MTD compliant, enabling businesses to file VAT returns directly through the platform. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So starting with the pros. So QuickBooks offer a robust tools for tax calculation, VAT compliance, and tax liability report, which simplifies the tax preparation process. And the platform is intuitive, making it accessible for users with varying level of accounting expertise. And also, QuickBooks integrates seamlessly with various financial tools and services, providing an holistic financial management solution. And also, with a dedicated mobile app, users can manage their finances on the go, enhancing the flexibility and the convenience. And here's the downside about this platform. Some users find QuickBooks subscription pricing to be on the higher side, especially for smaller business. And also, despite the user-friendly design, new users may experience a learning curve, particularly when exploring the advanced features on the platform. And also, setting up VAT requires manual assignment for tax categories in stock items, which can be timing and consuming. And here the final verdict about this platform. QuickBooks stand out as a comprehensive accounting solution with robust tax management features, making it a valuable tool for businesses aiming to streamline their financial processes and ensure tax compliances. While the platform's extensive capability and user-friendly interface are commendable, potential users should consider the subscription cost and should prepare for an initial learning curve during setup.